Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike AIR HUMARA. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at, in my opinion, it's an underrated gem from Nike. We've got the Nike AIR HUMARA Quick Strike. We got this in the faded spruce night maroon colorway in a UK size 7.5, European 42, and this is a US 8.5. Let's get unboxing. So here it is. And for those that don't know, I'm very much into Gorpcore, and this is essentially Nike's Nike Trail sneaker. It's got the logo, and it's not an ACG line, despite the look and the feel of the sneaker. This was an OG colorway from the 1990s. In fact, it was 1996 when the HUMARA came out, and I'm here for it with Gorpcore fashion on the trend at the minute. And the looks of the sneaker is really retro. It gives you that classic 90s vibe, and I'm all here for it. So let's get into the details. We'll start with the outsole. It's an all rubber outsole. You look at the treads here. It's heavy, it's lugged, it's there for the great grip and to prevent you from slipping. It's great traction patterning here. Waffle inspired obviously from Nike. You've got Zoom Air, and I'll get to there when we go into the midsole unit. But you can see that Nike Trail logo there in the middle and the Nike Air logo at the heel. Moving on to the midsole. So this midsole unit is a foam unit. However, it's the first Nike to have material. So it's textile material that surrounds the foam midsole. Underneath the insole, just underneath the shoulder board, you have the Air Zoom unit. And Air Zoom is probably the most comfortable of the Zoom technologies, and even Air technology in my opinion. Michael Jordan loved it, so I mean, he's a 6-time, he's the greatest of all time. So if he likes it, you should like it. But no, that's one of Nike's best inventions, and it's housed in the sneaker. So you're going to be walking a lot with this sneaker on, I hope, and to have a Zoom unit to cushion your feet is a great thing to have. We look at the upper. So the upper is made out of all textile materials, even these parts that look like it's leather. You've got synthetic paneling on the toe box, which is there to prevent any abrasion during your hikes. You got the mesh that surrounds the sneaker in the blue. It's all around to make it more breathable and lightweight. All around. Essentially, you look at the tongue, and you got the quick lace system, which reminds me of an Air Max 95. You got the Nike logo there, the Nike Air, on the tongue. It's very spongy. It's very soft. Again, to cushion the top of your feet. Normal laces on the side. I love how you've got the lace loops that go around the lateral and the middle side of the sneaker. You got an orange hits with a swoosh, and on the heel, on the lateral part, you can see the Nike Air written there also. At the heel, you've got pull tabs, the Nike logo there also, and you look at the insole. It's a foam insole. You got the Nike Trail logo, and just underneath you got the Air Zoom technology. I'm really excited to try these on for you guys. I am a big fan of anything around Nike's Gorpcore-esque fashion, even though this isn't ACG. I'm a big fan of ACG. We have done tons of ACG reviews in the past, so if you get a moment, check that out. For now, I'm a big fan of this sneaker. It's very unique of its time as well, but you can bring it out. This looks like a proper hiking I was gonna say hiking shoe. It's a proper hiking sneaker. I'm excited to try these on. So roll up footage of me trying these AIR HUMARAs on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. My toes are where they need to be. I'm not gonna lie, it felt a bit weird when I first put these on, because it felt like the toe was proper hugging my feet, like just the front of the shoe, I mean. But they're very comfortable. The Zoom Air, whoa, so soft. They look really great on. I mean, I'm feeling that Gorp Core look these days personally, so that's just me as a person. If you're looking for more sneakers in this kind of Gorp Core range, we've done tons of reviews, so check out our Salomon reviews. We've done like North Face as well, and Columbia, so do check those brands out. But here's Nike's OG Trail, the Humara. It's beautiful. Here's a 360. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.